Yo, heading home now. Probably not going to kickboxing because I have a mission today. I need to make onigiri because they won't be serving kyushoku tomorrow. So everybody has to bring their own onigiri, even the teachers. I gotta figure out what to make. So I'm gonna go to the grocery. I brought home this piece of paper. It's given to like the teachers and the students. This is the school lunch kyushoku menu for an entire month. This is for the month of February. And this is pretty cool. So it's gonna say right here, the day. And then it's gonna say what it is, right? Penne mito sauce sando. It's basically like a macaroni type thing. Sando, so it's sandwich. And I thought that they were gonna give me a sandwich, but actually what they gave me was just a bread and then the noodles. And you can open up the bread and stuff it in there. Kind of like yakisoba pan, but carbs on carbs, so I don't understand it. And then they always have milk. Gyunyu, always, almost always. I think every single time. There's always a salad, so it's either rice or bread. And sometimes, mito being well known for natto, the fermented soybeans, they sometimes serve that as well. So like on Friday, they will have natto. Tomorrow, it says here, gyutto onigiri no hi. There will be no kyushoku. There's no school lunch. All the kids and the teachers have to bring their own onigiri. And apparently it can't be too fancy. And also it says here the calorie, approximately, they're almost always around 600 calories, 600 something, between 600 and 700. And ingredients and what it's good for. And then there's like some nutrition facts here. It's super cool that they include that and that it's already planned out for an entire month. Just rice. It's nice. So I'm back from the grocery store. This is what I ended up getting. Got some seaweed, kind of like Korean style. I got this, it's close to an ehomaki and also has like the demon logos. I feel betrayed that I didn't get to eat it yesterday. It's kind of like the Vietnamese type. Got some mentaiko, spicy cod roe, couple of Tupperwares so I can put my rice balls in here. Fried chicken skin. Got some more belly. Tandoori karaage. Curious as to what it tastes like. And I think I'm gonna put it inside the onigiri. And the rice. Peeled 3 pieces of cabbage, Napa cabbage. I still have this chunk. Good luck. While I wait on that, I just really want to snack on this. Itadakimasu. Chicken skin. ASMR. I know it's bad for me, but that's good. This doesn't feel too oily. It's got like this very light salt seasoning. Oh, and I think it has flour, like a little bit of flour on it. Alright, we're gonna try this guy. Comes with a sweet and sour packet here. Itadakimasu. Okay. Salmon tastes like smoked salmon. Oh, it's radish. I thought it was noodles. It's alright. The rice wrapper is kind of like, it's a little off. I don't know why. It just doesn't taste as good as like those Vietnamese type ones. Oh boy. One more thing I'm gonna try. Tandoori karaage, basically. Check that out. Itadakimasu. Okay. Yeah, it's good. The outer covering has like a curry spice blend. Good. Yeah, I would get that again. Alright, I'm gonna pop all of this in again. Alright, time for a taste test. Not as much color, without the green spring onions. Carrots, not as mushy as yesterday. I think it's just right today. Bean sprouts has a little bit of crunch to it. Got pork bellies, tasting phenomenal. Nothing much to say, but nabe for the win, Alright, so I'm gonna try to make onigiri right now. This rice, put in the bowl. Okay, so I'm thinking like a little bit of enzu. Maybe a little bit of oil for some Korean style. Maybe a little bit of salt, because why not? It looks well mixed. Will the whole thing fit? Let's see what happens. Here's the mentaiko in all its glory. Cod roe that's been spiced up. Apparently it tastes good when it's fried up a little bit. Now it's like more of a more orangish. This has a really interesting taste. It reminds me of when you put butter in mentaiko and then you put it on toast. It tastes like that. It's so good. Yeah. When they talk about rice ball, I make an actual ball. Here's the other one. It's huge. It looks weird, but yo, it looks delicious too. They barely fit in my container.